So, good morning, Hawaii.
Can you please not record? Say bye. Come
Bye.
lock the door. Come lock the door and stop recording. I promise.
Be quiet.
Stop recording aloud.
Be quiet. So, good morning, everyone. Our first morning here in Hawaii, and Sharon and Geneva bought us breakfast. They went down the road to buy breakfast, and there's a restaurant here, but because we're in a rush, we have to go and meet up with the people that's picking us up for the Luau. So I'll show you our breakfast, guys. So they brought fruit salad and some spam musipi. What is it called? Hang on, let me see. Oh yeah, it is. It's got spam and egg. What's this one? This one is just spam. And then they got us a burrito that we're gonna have and share. And we got a pink lemonade. Kiwi fruit. Oh, that's sweet. I shouldn't be having any fruits because when I have fruits, especially kiwi fruit and pineapple, I tend to run to the you-know-where post office, So, that. Oh, it's a melon juice, yummy. And I'll have one strawberry. Nice looking strawberry, look. So I just have a little bit, just in case, don't want to be halfway to the luau and someone wants to go you-know-where. It's sour. You know what they say? Mister, okay. Tangata got sick. He thinks he's a young man and he doesn't wear a top sometimes. And I say to him, can you put on a singlet? You're not a young buck anymore. That strawberry was so sour. Ugh. It looks pretty on the outside, but inside is sour. It kind of reminds you of some people, eh? No, they look nice on the outside, but inside is sour. I'm just saying. One pineapple. That's half sour. And we're on the land of beautiful pineapple. It's got more sweet than strawberries. Guys, it doesn't look the prettiest. I don't know where Sharon got this from. It's nice inside. Yummy. Yum. Yeah. I guess it's like a person that's not attractive looking on the outside, but inside is yum. Cheers, guys. We're gonna end up going on this bus to Luau. Just waiting for people to go on and then we go on. Oh yeah, and it's an hour and 10 minutes trip to Luau.
Wait, is she taking a photo?
No, she videoing.
Oh my. Hi guys.
Next to me, I'm the first one out. Now I gotta direct traffic, okay? On the ceiling, we have 2 escape hatches. One in the front, one in the back. Turn the red knob, push the hatch out you go. Now the windows open up, but only number 3, number 4, number 5. Lift up the gray bar, push the window out you go. And if we hit a certain altitude, oxygen mask comes down. Okay, we haven't used that one yet. But if the airlines show you how to get out of the airplane in emergency, I show you how to get out of the bus. A lot. They said the old Hawaiians believed that ancestors came from the stars. I didn't know that. Japan, that's where they built the Japanese village for the movie. 1984, right there. Right, see the island looks like a Chinaman's hat? That's Chinaman's hat. They say there's a...
Oh no, free places.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Garlic chicken.
Open it for mom. So she can share the video.
And this is a mixed locomoco and a garlic. Oh,
And fries.
and curly fries. No, it's not curly fries, it's wrinkly fries.
Please swap that.
Okay, this is the Polynesian Cultural Center.
See, all this laughing had me choked up.
You got asthma?
There's a waterfall there. And another waterfall. That's so cool. You just need shampoo and soap and Talofa.
Fun fact, it's geographically located to pair with the fact that they're also known as the happy people. Right? They're also lovely, kind, hardy. So, this for America. The other one's Western.
Anyways, welcome to our kitchen. This is where you
Thank you.
Anyone needing a snack before we go to sleep?
We ate, thank you.
That would be unsafe for somebody like me. You'll see the Baptist showing up there from the
Kia ora.
Welcome in, family. Kia ora.
Come this way.
Hia,
on, Mama, stretch. Stretch.
You take that photo from me and I'll change it. Thank you very much. Looks lovely.
Our common kingdom now. So the reason why she's the only females because she did this is just a descriptions of her bedroom in Tonga. So all of this that are culture in Tonga. So all of this are really they have a really significant meanings in Tonga.
Clap along, everybody. Clap, 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 clap. Yo. Ula Samoa, ke tonga talena. Tahiti Maori Maina. Hina, hula, aloha, ki ora talofa. Yora na malelele o Tonga. Please, another round of applause. Luau. Hai.
Pushes the bigger canoes you see over there. You might have seen a big canoe over there. Family, if you guys could hear me, can I get a big aloha?
Aloha!
Can I get a booyah?
Booyah!
Now can I get a chee-hoo?
Chee-hoo!
Quick question, you know what is the meaning of booyah? Oil, they put it on the head so they can make the plate for the monkey. And this island is known as the Easter Island because this island was found on the Sunday Easter.
Yo, Mama.
Where's the nice one?
server will be here shortly, by the way. The drinks are self-service. You can get them from station anytime. Restrooms, one across the main entrance and